Hello, everybody. It is Wax Wednesday. The weeks are flying in. It is the 12th of July, 2023, and it is your good friend Jack here back again with another Wax Daily video, which is brought to you by Wax School and EOS Dublin. You might think by looking at the Atomic Hub drop calendar today that there's not actually that much on in terms of drops on the Wax blockchain, but there is still loads to talk about. If we head on over here, as usual, to the Atomic Hub drop calendar, we can see that Future Relics today, well, Future Relics is a filmmaking experience through NFTs. So if you haven't checked that out, head on over to their website. But they are basically, and I think they had a tweet about this last week, releasing their level 160 snack bar in the taco venue, and that's happening today, I believe. You can see here on the calendar, it's happening around 6 o'clock UTC. Their website is futurerelic.com. That should be exciting if you participate in any of the Future Relic campaigns or objectives. So let us know what you think about that one in the comments below. Straight up after that, we have another project we've mentioned before, which is Big Bang Games. Now, if you're not familiar with Big Bang Games, head on over to their Discord. Basically, you participate by joining the Discord and being part of the community, being part of the competitions, being part of the games. But they have their Lilith NFT drop today, which marks week 6 in the BB Rumble Club. So again, head on over to their Discord if you haven't already. NFTs look pretty good, and they're all about project collaborations, giveaways, and community building. A very cool project to check out. And is everyone ready for the Funko drop that's happening tomorrow on the Wax blockchain? We're seeing a lot of Funko drops lately. Whether that's a good thing or a bad thing, I'm not sure, but it is still pretty cool, regardless whether you're a fan or not. They are releasing their Stranger Things drops. Normally, the drops are uh, quite good because you can basically redeem some of the in real life items using the NFTs you get in the packs. Packs are the usual size, one of 5, one of 15. Head on over to the digital.funko.com page and you can just check out the actual drops themselves and the information on it. The redeemable, or the top redeemable, is pretty cool. The Grail Rarity NFT will basically grant the user access to claim a dragon. So the three-head dragon from Stranger Things NFT. And if you check that out on the website, you can see what it looks like in the box and everything, which is pretty cool. Just have a little look down here. Excuse me. It is pretty rare though. There'll only be 1,106 of these. You have 0.15% of a chance to get it, but it'll be hotly contested, I'd imagine. And finally, later this week, we are going to be talking a lot about Karen Burger. Now, Karen Burger is by the Drawn Company. Basically, what it is it's a startup franchise through NFTs. They're looking for people basically to buy the startup edition packs, swag promos. You blend food vans. You use your food vans to blend restaurants. You stake your food vans and restaurants on the Wax DAO. That is just part of it. There's loads of information. They're also going to be doing an exclusive drop for NFTopia, which is happening the week after next, I believe. So probably about 2 weeks away, which is something that we'll mention at the end of the video. I don't want to give too much away right away. This is happening on Friday. I believe their promo drop is happening on Friday. There'll probably be more information up about this. Check out their Twitter. Drawncompany.com is the website. This is going to be the feature project for our video on Friday, where we will have some exclusive giveaways. So make sure to keep on top of the updates on your Twitter feed to see when the video is launched, because I think I'm going to have something like, first to comment their WaxCloud wallets below, or first 3 to comment their WaxCloud wallet below will be in with a chance to win a promo pack. So it looks pretty cool. Definitely going to be doing a little bit more research on this one. Definitely worth checking out if you haven't already, drawncompany.com. And then just leading us on to our last little topic of conversation, which is NFTopia, happening July 28th to 30th, 2023. If you're into NFTs, this is definitely something to check out. It is a virtual event. Check out the website nftopia.weebly or weebly.com. and you can see just some screens of previous events. You can see the lineup, the agenda, what's going on, people who have spoke at the conference before. There's past speakers, and you can see some past exhibitors as well. All really cool, all really proactive and positive for the NFT community. So make sure to check that one out if you haven't already over at nftopia.weebly.com. That's all for me today on Wax Wednesday. As usual, the videos are sponsored by Wax School and EOS Dublin. They're not much without the community behind them, so I appreciate all the likes and comments on previous videos. Keep it up, everyone, and wax on.